Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are visiting Dubai Marina. As you can clearly see, this is the best place to roam around and walk. And if you want to sail around, you can hire any boat from here and you can sail also. Previously I had shown you in my video that I was using RTA board with my friend. That was from here. Beautiful Dubai Marina, the best place. Now we are on top of the bridge, and from here you can see the beautiful Dubai Marina. As you can clearly see each and everything from here. Now we are going towards the JBR beach. Walking bridge towards JBR, so that there are less accidents on the road and people should walk on the bridge to go all the ways, right, left, everywhere. Now we have to go straight, so we are taking this one, this area. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this.